Okay, so let's give you the finished walk around. So the ignition is on at the moment, and when the indicator goes on,
this vehicle is turning left. This vehicle is turning left. This vehicle is turning left.
okay, so once the indicator goes off, it does 2 full cycles after that. So we have our camera mounted and sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, and our blind spot sticker professionally installed. Cables under there, as we've shown, all going into the fuse box here. Go on to the inside now. Got our finished product where all the dash back together. Monitor mounted, and when we put the indicator on, you can hear the outside, and if we get an obstacle in that area, you get the audible warning for the driver on the inside. So that's about it really. 2 people will do this in an hour to an hour and a half once they know what they're doing. So I'd say 3 hours labour would be sufficient, and maybe one person on his own, you'd maybe allow a little bit longer. So that's it. Thank you.